Hello! In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Flixbus. It's a shared bus and you can go to a lot of different destinations. In this example, I want to go from Ljubljana to Trieste with two persons. I want not just one way, I also want to go back. I say Ljubljana to Trieste. I need to pick out the date. You have a date picker on your website. Click on the date picker. When do you want to leave and when do you want to come back? For two adults, click on the search button. Here we see the different times and different prices. If you go very, very early in the morning, it's a very low price. If you go at a normal time, it's a lot more expensive. In this example, I choose the Flixbus from 10:20 in Ljubljana. Click on Continue to select. And then you also need to go back, so the departure, the return trip now, it will be at 1837. You see here the direct trip, and we need to fill out our names. You can choose for a seat reservation. If you take a seat reservation, then you are sure that you sit next to each other. That can be interesting, but it's of course an extra price you need to pay. If you want to do that, you click on seat reservation and then you can select the seat reservation. In this example, I will do the seat reservation. On the lower deck, you can select table, and you have also a little more space, or the classic one. Here you see the places that are still open. So in this example, you have a lot of more space if you are sitting on the table. So it's a little more, but it's more comfort. In this example, I will select the two seats. Click on the confirm button. And if you also want to book it for the return tip, you can check it, but it's only possible at the back. There's not a very big difference, so I will not select it. Click on the button confirm. You can take a lot of luggage with you, big suitcase, a small suitcase, and you can even add more luggage. This is a big advantage in if you compare it with an airplane. Then you need to fill out your email address. You also need to fill out your phone number. Here you fill out your phone number. After you filled out your phone number, you can select your payment methods. In this example, I will select PayPal. You can also add billing address information and then you can select the information you want. You can also select a company. You're free to do what you want with this. After you filled out all the information, you see you need to speed up. You have only 2 minutes 33. Then you select I declare to have read privacy policy, click on PayPal, fill out your information, can be necessary to fill out certain control number, click on proceed, my identity is confirmed, and now all the reservations are made. You see that your booking is confirmed. You have a booking number. You can download the PDF ticket. You can also use the Flixbus app and you also can use an email. Here you see when you have to leave, when you have to come back, and so on and so forth. Everything is written out. Please download the document. It's always useful if you have it and then you can save it on the place you want. You can also send it to your email address and it will be over there. Also useful is the Flixbus app. You will see it in our next video. Good luck with your reservation on Flixbus.